Manufacturing is powering Europe. It is at the centre of Europe's economy. It creates cutting-edge products, provides millions of highly skilled jobs, generates wealth and drives innovation. Today, manufacturing in Europe is undergoing a substantial and unprecedented transformation. This transformation will change not only factories, but the goods they produce, the jobs they provide, the materials they use, and the models upon which they operate. The European Union is realising this through the Factories of the Future partnership, a pre-competitive and collaborative programme which has launched over 200 projects with the involvement of nearly 2,000 organisations. The partnership is at the centre of a European network of national and regional initiatives which are also delivering results. The implementation of all of these results will enable us to achieve the Factories of the Future, Factories 4.0. Factories 4.0 will be home to flexible and dynamic production lines, overseen by smart monitoring and serviced by predictive maintenance. These factories will be human-centred, designed and operated around workers. Their work will be supported through collaboration with robots. Workers within these factories will be highly skilled and will learn, develop and refine new skills throughout their careers. Factories 4.0 will continue to improve through their input. Beyond the factory itself, Factories 4.0 are also customer focused, producing highly customised goods and responding to the needs of the customer. To produce these goods, Factories 4.0 will be provided with materials through connected smart supply chains. Using the cloud, these factories will operate upon and communicate through digital platforms. Factories 4.0 will help us to realise and will operate within the circular economy, maximising their sustainability through renewables, reduced energy consumption and highly efficient usage of raw materials. All of these elements will interact in real time in a truly networked factory. Moreover, Factories 4.0 are linked to each other as connected factories. Factories 4.0, the future of European manufacturing.